What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think they have a huge potential with all the benefits and utilities that they're offering, and I think they will be good potential either to keep, flip, or whatever you decide to do. And even if they're not gonna perform well, they're free mints, so there is nothing to lose. But before I show the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Memes Labs, Memes Infrastructures and Apps Tokenizing Communities and Mind Share on Ton blockchain. So Meme Labs is Telegram-based super app built on Ton, create, trade, and promote meme coins effortlessly. Meme Lab makes meme coins accessible to everyone, incubated by Notcoin, and positioned to own meme niche for 900 million users on Telegram. Create, trade, airdrop, analyze, promote meme coins in app on Ton initially, and then multi-chain in the near future. So here are some of the benefits that you'll be getting from NFT. Lab token airdrop, revenue sharing, early access to features, prime community positions, lab tokens pre-sales with special conditions for pass holders, guaranteed whitelist spot for future mints, OG perks on the platform, connect with the top traders, KOLs, alpha groups, and earning opportunities from trading and referrals. And then as you can see, they already have 800,000 followers on their Twitter account. They also have a website, but there's not a whole lot on the website. But in here, you can actually scroll down and read through some of their tweets. And actually one right here, if we scroll down, this one, I would recommend if you're really into this project and you're gonna try to get a whitelist spot, you can listen to this podcast and actually hear what exactly this project is gonna be about. Because for example, if you are into meme coins, Ton is one of the newer blockchain that possibly could have a lot of potential. And if you can't even get a whitelist spot and mint for free, you can probably pick it up on a secondary market, but you can actually hear and see exactly what is this project is gonna be about. And they also have a website. If we go to the website, there's not a whole lot, just their socials, Telegram, X, Discord, and LinkedIn. And you can look through and see team and etc. about this project. Then the second project, it's called Origin. Invest in curated early stage crypto deals built on Hedera, stake, HBAR to access, get on the ground floor. This is going to be the investing game with Origin. Launching out of the stealth mode, Origin is here to break down the barriers to early stage investing and bring the most curated high potential deals straight to you. Built on Hedera blockchain, Origin is backed by a team with proven track record of explosive returns, having delivered 10x to 100x in the past investments like Portal, Mavia, Citify, and Chainlink. So this is kind of like a launchpad where you're gonna have opportunity to invest into early startup. This is their Twitter account. They have 23,000 followers. You can scroll through. You can actually try to join in the pre-mint link. Supply is going to be pretty low. Chances are very slim, but you can still try to get in. Or if you're in some kind of alpha groups, maybe they're going to be doing some raffles. But this is going to be free, and we can go to their website. Right here you can see you can put your email to make your first investment. I'm not really sure exactly what that's gonna be, but then you can also join a waitlist. Maybe if they're not gonna sell out all the guarantee spot, you'll have opportunity, and then you can join either Discord or their Twitter profile and kind of follow up and see exactly where this project is gonna lead. There is no mint date yet, but this is another one I would really watch. And if you're really into this project, you can actually go to this website and kind of search and see and read and do your own research regarding this project. And then the last project, it's called Kindred. So Kindred, it's more than just an AI assistant. It's bring iconic character to life as emotionally intelligent AI agent, delivering emotion, depth, trust, and meaningful connection in a human AI interaction. So the total mint is going to be 1,000 NFTs. It's going to be minting on Magic Eden. It's going to be on Abstract Chain, free mint, and then being part of the founding core community, you'll get Kin airdrop at the TGE to NFT stakers, benefits to subsequent AIO, early access benefits, Genesis collection, and usable as companion on Kindred platform. And then in here, you can see this is their Twitter page, 38,000 followers. You can scroll down, see some teasers, and just learn more about the stuff and who they're partnering with, like for example, Imaginary Ones, and many other projects as well. And then we can go to their homepage as well. Right here, this is their website. You can read white paper, deck, and block. Deck is probably going to be the light paper of white paper if you just kind of want to skim through and read and learn a little bit about this project. And this is pretty much it. This is 3 NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on and hoping to get a whitelist spot, because in my opinion they're gonna have huge potential even in these market conditions, and if they're not, they're free mints, so not really gonna lose anything on them. All the links for the projects I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.